Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to search tabs in Brave. All right. So the first option right here is by going to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines, and just go over to history. Okay. As you can see here, we have the recent tabs section. So what you're going to do is just go and pick one. For example, YouTube right here. I'm going to click on it and it will load up. Okay. Another option, I'm just going to go ahead and show you my whole screen real quick, is by pressing what? Control plus Shift plus A. Okay. Make sure that Brave right here is selected or highlighted. Again, press Control Shift plus A and it will show you this one. Okay. You can just go ahead and browse through the open tabs right here. Click on one and it will open up the specific tab. Again, let's say I'm going to go ahead and open up Instagram. As you can see, as easy as that. If you're using Mac OS, I'll just go ahead and find CMD plus Shift plus A. All right. And there you have it. That is how you search tabs here in Brave. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.